Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba ala kemen rumbui uba pek ye katana District Council Affairs menta kasingin ka arpu laitrik unai leber arajar arpu wei ula ong baka Sarkar kan sa penbiang ye ki pulit ki ban pahara na ka benta ban penyaj bet ye ke election she ke yeng dorbar thauan jang ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka ban salong ha ubna yayong menta usnem arajar arpu wei.
As of now, I didn't have the record with me how many sensitive polling booths is there, but district administration and the police department are reviewing. They are reviewing the different polling station in different district, and after we get the report only, then we will know how many are sensitive and how many is not sensitive. 10 companies of or force also have been sent to West Bengal. So. But we hope that after the election from West Bengal, they will join the force there, if at all the election process there is completed. So as of now, we have to do within our own force only. See, I didn't foresee any violence in this regard. Our democracy is very strong. So the democratic process also it is very strong. There is a check and balances, and we will try to ensure that there will be no issue. I mean, the election will be conducted smoothly. The force under the command of Makala Police will be deployed in that for Garo Hills Autonomous Council election.
Kat bah kabaya day pat bat ka jing persya jong ki seng bhalang ya ki wei pat ki jet ben reu bar jella ban yakun hagani ke election MDC ubala kemen ulaong baka jing terwahi ka day ban wan ke district council khnang baka sarkar bat ulat ke jella kindubla ban shim ya karai halor kani ke jing dawa namar kum baka long menta ka ain ka plelat ki bar jella bakin yakun ye kani ke election.
This issue has been there for a long time, and this you cannot just raise the issue once the election process is on. This anybody who have any issue, they should take it at continuously, not only during the time of election. Then you will raise the issue. So I hope that if there is any grievances, if there is any people who feel that this is against the basic tenet of 6th schedule, so there is a forum which they could move. We from the District Council Affairs, we cannot do anything because we have to do as per provision of the law. Even in Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills also there are different. 6th schedule is autonomous body. They are governed in the autonomous region, and if you compare the District Council of Meghalaya and District Council of Assam, in Assam or in other state, there is a difference. So it according to the local situation. So to tell that every election, every autonomous region, they should have a uniform code. So that for me, I feel that it is not advisable. The solution should come from the people within the parameter of the law. So the District Council themselves should propose what it is there, so that we from the government and the Honorable Governor could take appropriate action if there is anything which they move from that.